Hi and welcome to issue 13 of Build Your Own 3D Printer. This week we've got that bit, it's called the Y-axis I think. Out, make a thing out. Every week got the usual web access code, publishing houses, traditional printer put ink, Flight of Fantasy, Built It High, Making Dreams a Reality, all the monuments you can print out, Earthquake Proof. So 3D printers are being used to make full-size effective that people can live in. 3D printing on a grand scale. We can print houses, printing more than one thing. That's what the printer looks like. Marking out an area. This is about making an area. This is about making a box, I presume. Making the necessary arrangements. Cool, something looking quite complicated here. Leaving a tolerance. This is the bit on left bottom plate. This is you see the bottom plate that will help support the printer's main frame. 1 foot, 3 feet and foot pads. Doll's House Dining Set Part 1, a simple boat. Gear key ring. Naturalist gear. Perfect finish. And so this is the right bottom, so this is the left. This is that's the left and that's the right. So let's see. Got my scissors, always got my scissors. That's the okay, and then got fixer pads. It's pretty much simple really. So we've got 3, so it's 6, 7 parts. Okay, so we've got this 3 feet. So it looks like one there, and one there. Peel the paper from the one foot so this is pretty simple. Then press the self-ease surface on the base of the 1 foot. Ensure the pad center isn't right, and repeat for the other 2 feet. So take that off, and then that goes on there. That's pretty much centered. Feels a bit magnetic. Press it in. Press. Press that in. Pretty simple. So there's the sticky side, and that goes in there. Just clips in. So there's 3 feet. Screw 2 of the feet into the bottom plate, take 3 in the position shown. Screw them carefully into their thread at this stage, but they can be adjusted later when the print is fully assembled in order to level the unit out on any surface. Keep the 3rd foot in safe place for the assemble later. So what I'm actually going to do, so that screws in there. So this actually doesn't fix onto them, so that keep this safe. Doesn't actually say to screw it in there, but I'm going to anyway, just to keep it safe. Whoops. I hope it goes down your way. Doesn't. And then the 3rd one. Matching undo is press this against the wall. This is very exciting. This I think the last one when I actually connected all the electrical bits together, that was pretty exciting. Just keep the this is That's this bit here. This is the left bottom plate, and then next week is the right bottom plate. So that's what I've done so far. There's the electrical bit there, the on off switch there, and that's the inside bit there. That's the motor there. So far, and it's not, I can't connect to the computer yet because there's maybe that bit there, maybe all those bits there, but I've got the actual casing to go next. Like there's the actual outside casing, and there's a real bit. And there's like a wire that goes from the computer to the printer. So still quite a lot. I'm on the 13, so still early bits yet. So there we go. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.